Hello everyone, let us try to solve some problems on exponents. Okay, so the question goes like this: if 5 to the power of x divided by 3 plus 5 to the power of x is equal to 1 by 2, then the value of 5 to the power of x. Okay, what do we do now? First we will do the cross multiplication. All right, cross multiplication. So this will become 2 into 5 to the power of x is equal to 1 into, since this is 1, we don't need to write it again, so it will become naturally 3 plus 5 to the power of x because it is multiplied with 1. So here we have 2 into 5 to the power of x, here we have 1 5 to the power of x, so we will bring it that side, so it will be 2 into 5 to the power of x minus 5 to the power of x is equal to 3. So this is something like this, you have 2a minus a will be given a, 3x minus x will give us 2x. Same way, 2 into 5 to the power of x minus 5x will give us only 5x is equal to 3. Now the value of 5x is equal to 3. So 3 is the right answer. If 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 192, then the value of x is, so we have the same number 3 times, so we will say 3 into 2 to the power of x is equal to 192. Now 2 to the power of x will remain here, 192 is here, this 3 will come down on this side, it will get divided here. So 3 6 are 18, 3 4 are 12. So 64. So 2 to the power of x is equal to 64. Now we need to think 2 to the power of how much will give us 64. Suppose we say 2 to the power of 3. You should know this, 2 to the power of 3 means 8. 2 to the power of 4, 16. 2 to the power of 5, 32. 2 to the power of 6, 64. So 64 can be written as 2 to the power of 6. Since the base is same, we can equate the exponent. So x is equal to 6. So option 4, 6 is the right answer. Let's go to the next question. A number multiplied by minus 5 to the power of 7 is equal to 25 to the power of 4. The number is what? So now a number, we don't know what is the number, so we will consider it as x. X is multiplied by minus 5 to the power of 7 is equal to 25 to the power of 4. Now since we have 5 here, we will try to take this in the 5, the base as 5. So this will become 25 will become 5 square to the power of 4 will remain here same. Again this 5 square, this will become 5 to the power of 2 into 4. So 2 4s are 8. Now we have x into minus 5 to the power of 7. We will send it this side. So it will be x is equal to this 5 to the power of 8 will remain here. Since this is multiplied here, this will come down. It will be minus 5 to the power of 7. Okay. Now this will go on top. It will be 5 to the power of 8 into minus 5 to the power of this 7 will become minus 7. Okay. So now on this side it can be, okay, one more thing we can take, since we need to have the base the same, 25 can also be written as minus 5 square. For your information, yes, this can be minus 5 square because minus 5 square also gives us same 25. Fine. So now, so both are having the same symbols, minus 5. So it will be minus 5 to the power of 8 minus 7, which will give us minus 5 to the power of 1, which is nothing but minus 5. So we have the option 1, minus 5 is the right answer. The simplified form of 2 raised to 50, 1, 2, 3, 4 times we have. So this will be 4 into 2 to the power of 50. Okay. Now since we need the same basis, 4 can be written in terms of 2. That is 4 can be written as 2 square. So this will be 2 square into 2 to the power of 50. So this will be 2 into 2 plus 50. which is nothing but 2 to the power of 52. So option 2, 2 to the power of 52 is the right answer. Okay, let's move on to one more question. If 2 raised to a into 3 raised to b into 7 raised to c is equal to 3528, then the value of a, b. So basically we have to do LCM and try to find out what are the factors of 3528. So what we will do, we'll try to divide by highest number first. 7 5s are 35. Then 2 will not go, so I'll write 0. 7 4s are 28. Again, yes, 7 7s are 49. 7 2s are 14. So this will go. But now it will not go by 7 because it's 72. I can try the next number now. I will try by 3 now. Okay. 3 2s are 6. So 3 4s are 12. 24. Again it will go. 3 8s are 24. Okay. So now it will not go by 3. I can try by 2. 2 4s are 8. Again 2 2s are 4. Now let us try to understand. Here we have 2. 2 how many times we have here? Observe, 3 times. So it will be 2 to the power of 3 into 3 how many times we have? 3 we have 2 times. So 3 to the power of 2. And 7 how many times we have? 2. So in the question it is 2 to the power of a into 3 to the power of b into 7 to the power of c. So instead of a we have 3, instead of b we have 2, instead of c we have 2. We have to find out the answer with a 3, b 2 and c 2. So option 4 is the right answer. Okay. If the mean of the three numbers x, y and z is 4, then the value of. So first let us understand, if mean is equal to x plus y plus z divided by what is the number? 3 numbers we have. 3 is equal to 4. Okay. Mean is nothing but average. Average formula is nothing but average is equal to whatever sum or total divided by n. So here total is x plus y plus z divided by n means how many numbers? We have 3 numbers x, y and z. So 3. That average is nothing but 4. We will keep this. We have to use it later. Now inside the bracket what we have? We'll write the bracket later. As of now we will see what is inside the bracket. 3 into 3 into 3. So same number we have. Then in the first exponent x plus y minus z, and in the second we have plus y plus z minus x, and third one I have plus z plus x minus y. So if you observe, we have minus z, we have plus z, we have minus x, we have plus x, we have minus y, we have plus 5. So what is remaining? Plus y plus x plus z. So which means 3 to the power of x plus y plus z is remaining inside the bracket. So I will write the bracket once again. This is cube root. Cube root is nothing but I have to write it this way. 3 to the power of x plus y plus z whole power of cube root, that is 1 by 3. Since we know that we have to multiply this, we can write this as 3 to the power of x plus y plus z divided by 3. Now let us observe what is the mean? X plus y plus z by 3. So we can write this x plus y plus z by 3 as 4. So 3 to the power of 4 is the right answer. So option 1, 3 to the power of 4 is the right answer.